It was a beautiful day, and Thomas, Percy, Henry, and James were sitting. Are you okay, Thomas? I don't know if he's okay. Same. Me too. Is it just me, or do you guys realize that sometimes every Thomas short starts the same way? What do you mean? Well, it begins with the narrator saying it's a beautiful day, then he says what we're doing, and most of the time we're just sitting here doing nothing! Sometimes I wonder how this show even got past 100 episodes, or 90 episodes, or 70 episodes, or 60 episodes, or 50 episodes, or 40 episodes, or 30 episodes, or 20 episodes, okay, Thomas, okay, calm down, we don't want you blowing up the whole room. Right. Is it just me, or am I completely bored? Yeah, I agree with James on this one. I am completely bored right now. Same. Like, usually there's a main topic in a Thomas Shorts episode, but here there's just nothing besides us just sitting here and doing nothing. Yeah. Sometimes I even wonder why the camera's rolling on us. But yeah. Why are we here? Like, I'm so bored right now. I'm so freaking bored. There's nothing to do. Whatever. I'm gonna go watch the window. See you guys. That's so boring. I am so freaking bored. I don't know what to do. Any suggestions? Well, we could read a book. No, Percy, because every time you want to read a book, every book you have is stupid. Thanks, James. I don't know what to do. Oh, I know! How about let's play Buzz Buzz? Huh? Buzz Buzz! Ah, ow! Ah, ow! 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 Oh my goodness! Henry, why would you do such a dirty deed on hitting James? What? What's wrong? No, Percy. It's a part of the game. If you see a bug go by, you shout, Buzz Buzz! And then you punch them on their side. Oh. I see a bug over there. Buzz, buzz. Okay, Percy. You don't have to do it that hard. Like, yeah, Henry did a bit hard, but you don't have to do it that hard. I see another bug. Buzz, buzz. Okay, Percy. This is kind of getting a bit too painful for me. This is kind of getting a bit too painful. Ooh, I see another bug. Buzz, buzz. Ow, another bug. Buzz, buzz. Ow, another bug. Buzz, buzz. Ow. Oh, there's a whole horde of bugs over there. What? Buzz, 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 buzz. Please stop. Please stop. How about we play another game? I spy with my little eye. Okay, I'll go first. I spy with my little eye. Ooh, another bug. Buzz, buzz. Wah! That was fun. Well, that was a great way to pass time. Now what? I'm bored again. My head's still hurting, but I got a suggestion. Oh, really? Then what's your suggestion, James? Let's just watch a movie. Isn't that, like, the better idea? Yeah. We could watch a movie. And then this video would get copyrighted claims, so... No, we're not watching a movie. Yeah. And plus, what movie would you even want to watch? Cars? Toy Story? Incredibles? Jurassic Park? Sonic the Hedgehog? Sonic the Hedgehog 2? Or even Thomas and the Magic Railroad? Like there's no movies out there to watch, bro. Well, I guess we learned one thing today. This episode was a huge waste of time, and there's absolutely nothing to do. And with that, the 4 main engines stayed more. Wait a minute! You were recording this entire time? Yeah, it's kind of my job. Get over here!